Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add and edit a cover for your video in CapCut on a PC quickly and easily. So first, I want you to open a new project in CapCut, then import your video and drag it onto the timeline. After that, choose the correct video ratio. So for example, you can select the 9:16 format if the video is for TikTok or anything that is vertical format. You can also adjust the scale of the clip until it fits properly on the screen. Next, look at the beginning of the video clip on the timeline and click cover. So a separate timeline will appear, allowing you to choose any frame from the video. Move through the clip and select a clear frame that you want to use as the cover. And once you selected the frame, click edit to open the cover editor. And on the right side, you can also see the design with AI option. It is completely up to you how you want to design your cover here. You can also use a template, add text, or customize the design yourself. So to add a title, select text and insert a text style. Double click the text, remove the current words, and type sample. You can then change the font, increase the text size, add a background, and move the text to the precision that you prefer. Try to make the cover clear and easy to notice. You can also create your own cover using Canva or another editing tool. And once the design is ready, simply upload the picture here and use it as your video cover. And when you're happy with the results, click save in the bottom right corner, and then your cover will now be added to the project, and you can continue by exporting the video and uploading it to TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.